Awesome morning, guys, and today we'll be able to go ahead with another episode of have an hacks for Canva. So right now I'm on my screen, right, and I'm just going ahead with Canva. So okay, great. So now what we can do is I'm opening FB post, taking a blank presentation. If you have not watched my last video, just go ahead on YouTube and watch my last video. It was informative. So now I'm taking any type of text right now. For example, just I want to write digital Nimish, writing digital Nimish here. I just wanted to increase the font, so I can increase the font. The good hack is that if you want to type something, you can press T. T is the shortcut key for typing any text, right? So it is there. Now I want to have a background. Previously, what we are doing, we are having rectangle over here, right? If I put R over there, then I just use this rectangle so that it will be there. Now if I just wanted to have changes the thing that we need to take all the things separately, right? So for eliminating this thing, we have a solution so that you can use it, and it's an easy solution. So you just click on this, then there is an option that is called as effect. So you can click on effect, right, and then you can click on background. That's it. So now your background is being available, so you'll be able to use this background. So eventually it's looking good enough, it's having a great color, so that you can use it, right? And another thing that you want to use, if you want to go to another thing like that is called as the background, when you click on it, at the bottom you will be able to see these are the settings for this. The roundness you want to keep, then you want to have a spread over there, then you want to increase and decrease the transparency, that you can use it, you can play around with this, right? And the color also, like if I want to go ahead with that color option, we can have the color option. And eventually the font color you want to change, you can just go to this font color and click on white, so that it will be there. So that is the process where you will be able to use it. So in the effects, you can use background so that you'll be able to get more effectiveness. Many of the things we are writing the text, but we don't have a background over there, so that the text will not appealing well, not appealing good enough. So you can go ahead and you can use this, right? If you like, if you find this video to be good enough, so that go ahead and like my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. We'll be meeting you tomorrow with a new episode.